Hello all, welcome to Techno channel. This video about pivot transform in SAP BODS. Please subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed. What is pivot transform? Pivot transform creates a new row for each value in a column that we identify as a pivot column. Basically, it will convert the columns and generate the rows. It can rearrange the data into more simple and manageable form with all data in a single column without losing the category information. If you see here, this is the pivot transform editor. If you see, this is the schema in and this is the schema out. In schema in, we have some few columns. We can give the pivot columns here. Pivot columns means whatever the columns which we need to create as a rows. So we given three pivot columns here: internal expense, travel expense, and miscellaneous expense. For these three columns, it will create a new row for each column. This is the pivot transform look like, and this is the source data which we sent it to the pivot transform, and this is the target data. In before slide we saw that the pivot columns are internal expense, travel expense, and miscellaneous expense. If you see the output here, internal expense, travel expense, and miscellaneous expense, we got three rows for one record, which tells that first record has internal expense, and second record has travel expense, and third record has miscellaneous expense. This is the pivot sequence. It will calculate for the how many rows it is generated for the one record.